Breath goes in, Shantoham. Breath comes out, Shantoham. So now we have brought the mind little down. What do you mean by the down? The highest level is just the mind goes with the breath and then that objectivity is lost. We discover the emptiness. But now we are adding, what we are adding? We are adding Shantoham with every breath going in and out. That is also okay. When the mind becomes pure, yes, when the mind becomes pure, then it can go deeper. So the breath is going in and coming out. Very good. My going in, coming out. But where you are aware of the infinite space in and out, even when you are dropping Shanto Hum. So Shanto Hum, the mantra, is used as a pointer to see if the mind continues to be into that state. So the regular practice, we become aware the body is sleeping. We are aware the mind as if is not taking my attention anywhere. So it is neither the waking state, nor the sleep state, nor the dream state. We discover a pointer, a consciousness, which is all pervading, and still it is different. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both palms, place it on your eyes, open eyes inside the palms, and bring the hands down. How are you?
I'm very good. I feel very quiet
That's good.
and I was awake most of the time except for 2 seconds, which you might have noticed.
You see that? Yes. Even for 2 seconds, something within me knows what? I was sleeping and then I return again.
Yeah.
It is independent of the sleep, it is independent of the waking state, it is independent of the dream.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
That consciousness is our real nature.
Okay. We'll get there one day.
Yes, we are already there.
Almost.
The mind says, I don't recognize. That is the misunderstanding. Anesthesia in the right arm. And then ask the mind, do you know where is your right hand? I don't know. Come on, you are seeing it.
Right.
See? uh, Teeth, anesthesia. Do you feel pain? No, no pain. This mind, wherever it goes, it creates some kind of a craziness.
Yes. True.
Mind says, I am in stress. Do you are in stress? Mind, calm down. I have been in peace for so many years until today. Don't tell me.
Yep.
Very good. So,
Okay. Thank you.
okay, thank you.
So I let you know about tomorrow. Probably the whole family will be here.
Yeah, let Philippe
And
also do it.
yeah, I tried to get him do it.